Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching a quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A50, the A series smartphone that was announced alongside the A30 at the Mobile World Congress 2019 in Barcelona. This phone comes with a 6.4-inch Infinity U display, that's a Super AMOLED display with 1080 into 2340 pixels of screen resolution. On the back, there's a triple rear camera combination with one 25MP camera, one ultra-wide camera, and one depth sensing camera on the back. And it is also a plastic body on the back, though it's glossy, and there are different color variants here. The phone actually looks good, and there's a 25 megapixel f2.0 camera given on the front as well. So the phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and internally the device is powered by the Exynos 9610 octa-core chipset that comes with a 10 nanometer process for its manufacturing. And there are two variants, one with 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage, and the other with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage with the expandable option with up to 512GB of expansion that is possible here. The phone runs Android 9 Pie based one UI, that is the newer UI from Samsung, with a better experience for the users, and there are quite a lot of gesture features, quite a lot of enhancements in the UI for making the user experience better. And there are things like the digital well-being. In the about section, you see this is the model number Galaxy A50, and there is that 1.1 One UI version that is given here. Now if you go into the other settings of this device, the advanced features have wake Bixby with the power key. You can use that one since the Bixby key is not given here. Under the motion gesture features, you have the lift to wake, double tap to wake, and the other features as well. And this game launcher to actually help you record games and make the gaming experience better here. So under again the biometrics and security, you have both the fingerprint security as well as the face recognition, where you can use the 25MP camera for the facial unlock of the device. This is the camera application, which has the option for the wide angle as well as the regular captures. Wide angle is that 8 megapixel camera that is given on the back that helps in taking those wide angle shots with the f2.2 aperture, and the primary sensor here is the 25MP one with the f1.7 aperture and also the face detection autofocus. The third camera here is for the depth sensing that helps in the portrait shots, and it's an f for 2.25 megapixel camera. The selfie camera here actually seems quite good with the details with that 25MP resolution and the f2.0 aperture. It also has the portrait option and the other options as well. And with the rear camera, while you can capture 4K videos, with the front cameras you can capture only 1080p videos, which is still not bad enough for a front facing camera. So the device has 4000 mAh battery, and the phone is IP68 certified for the water resistance and the dust resistance, so which is another good thing with the weather protection. And the battery can be charged with a 15-watt fast charger. Going into the physical aspect, towards the bottom is that speaker grill, the 3.5 headset jack, and also the charging port. Towards the right are the buttons, the power button and the volume rocker button, and towards the top there's that secondary microphone. On the left is the access to the SIM tray, which has the SIM card slots including the microSD card slot as the hybrid option. On the front is that tiny notch which houses the 25MP camera, and the phone does have only narrow bezels and not any wide bezels toward the top, and even towards the bottom there's a thin chin that houses the area for the lights. So this was all about the Samsung Galaxy A50 that was launched alongside the Galaxy A30 at the MWC 2019. I hope you like this video. If you have any other questions, do let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.